Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Joomla with Google Analytics, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Joomla with Google Analytics, start by creating a Google Analytics account. Go to the Google Analytics website. Click on the Start for Free button. Follow the prompts to set up your account and property. Once your property is created, you'll receive a tracking ID. Copy this tracking ID, as you'll need it for the next steps. Now, log in to your Joomla Administrator panel. Navigate to Extensions in the top menu. Select Manage from the drop-down options. Click on Install on the left side of the screen. Search for a Google Analytics plugin compatible with Joomla. Install the chosen plugin by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, return to the Extensions menu. Click on Plugins to access the list of installed plugins. Find the Google Analytics plugin you just installed. Click on it to configure the settings. In the settings, paste the tracking ID you copied earlier. Ensure you save your changes after entering the tracking ID. Next, go to your website's front end. Right-click and select View Page Source. Search for your tracking ID in the source code to confirm it's installed correctly. If you see your tracking ID, Google Analytics is now connected to your Joomla site. Finally, go back to your Google Analytics dashboard. Monitor your data to ensure tracking is functioning properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.